Hey, it's Anissa, and I've got a super deal for you on the most famous mop ever. Yes, it's the Miracle Mop, and it's so famous they even made a movie about it starring Jennifer Lawrence. So why is this so great? For a couple of reasons. First, it's got the Special Helix Self-Twisting technology, which means it auto-wrings it. No more dirty hands in the water and touching the mop. Plus, it's got this high-quality microfiber mop head that's looped 50 times for maximum absorbency and coverage. But the best part of all is it actually removes from the handle and you can throw it in the washer. We also have extra mop heads on our site that you can get for a huge savings. Here's another great thing. This is the only handle that I've ever seen that you can actually adjust to your height. Now, when these came out, they sold for as much as $30. And even still, you're gonna pay $20 or more for one. But not when you buy it from us. We've got a phenomenal deal, but these won't last long. We have a limited quantity. So head on over to our site and grab one today.